Ever wondered if 17 million views on YouTube automatically means a private jet and a mansion? Think again. What if I told you that even on my own channel, 17 million views doesn't always equal the same payout? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating, often confusing world of YouTube earnings. We'll unpack why terms like CPM cost and RPM revenue are the real MPVs, and how they make every single video's earning potential wildly different. You might be surprised by what you learn. When I think about CPM and RPM, I picture a diagram. You have your general topics, and then you have topics that pay a lot more. On top of that, you can link products, which really boosts how much you make. So my earnings aren't just from YouTube ads, AdSense. Ideally, I want to be in that sweet spot where I'm making money from products linked in my videos, like affiliate products or my own digital stuff, and I'm in a topic that pays high CPMs. That's how I make the most money from both product sales and ads. Alright, listen up. On this one channel alone, I've pulled in over $300,000 in the last 12 months just from AdSense, selling my own digital products and affiliate marketing. I'm actually making a new video soon where I'll show you how much my second channel has made, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss that. Faceless or not, strategy wins. Oh, and one more thing I wanted to mention. This channel is completely faceless, but I've branded it so well that it sells and makes money all on its own, on autopilot. So it really doesn't matter if you're showing your face or not. What truly counts is your strategy, which boils down to picking the best niche that will make you the most money. If you're interested in building a real passive income business through YouTube, you might want to join my free private community. You'll find the link right at the top of the video description. A look at my YouTube channels. Let me show you a few of the YouTube channels I run. You'll see how CPM and RPM really affect each one and how much I've actually made per 17 million views. My older videos, easy, passive income. One of my older YouTube channels is a perfect example of passive income. I don't really make new videos for it anymore because I'm focused on other things. Most of these videos were uploaded back in 2021 and 2022, so they're at least 3 years old. The RPM is $6.51, which might not seem like much, but think about it. These videos were made years ago, uploaded, and I haven't touched them since. They're still quietly bringing in a few dollars each month. When all those small amounts add up, it creates a nice, steady stream of passive income. I did the work once to make the video, but now it just sits there on YouTube, earning me money month after month. To give you a better idea, on this channel, where I haven't uploaded consistently, the RPM right now is $6.51, but again, it changes a lot. Some videos earn as much as $76 or even $83. The money from ads can be very different even in the same topic, often depending on the video's title and what it's specifically about. I've seen RPMs go up to $98 on some videos, like one from years ago that only got 5 views in the last 28 days, but still made 50 cents. It's truly amazing how they just sit on YouTube, slowly adding to my total earnings. The channel, 1.4 million views. Now let's talk about the channel that actually got 1.4 million views in the last 28 days, from May to June 2025. This channel got those 1.4 million views from 10 million impressions, how many times the video was shown, with an average click-through rate, CTR, of 10%. I can't stress enough how important this is for actually getting views. My click-through rate needs to be around 10% or higher to get those big view numbers. No matter how good my video is or how much effort I put into it, if the CTR is below 10%, it's much harder to get a lot of views. Think of it like product packaging. If the packaging is bad, no one will see how good the product is. This doesn't mean the thumbnail, the picture you see before clicking, is the only thing. I still spend time on keyword research and making strong titles and descriptions, so YouTube knows what my video is about. But a YouTube thumbnail is often what makes people stop scrolling, click, and watch my video. Another for earning more is making sure my videos are longer than 8 minutes. This lets me put in mid-roll ads, which means ads play not just at the start and end, but throughout the video. I can even choose where these ads go. On this channel, my videos are usually just over 8 minutes long, with people watching for about 2 minutes and 40 seconds on average. I usually put the first mid-roll ad around the 3-minute mark so it doesn't interrupt too early. This channel, which got 1.4 million views in the last 28 days, has an average RPM of $2.40. This isn't the highest paying topic by any means. However, I've found a balance. I might not be in the highest paying niche, but I'm in one where I'm more likely to get a lot of views. For example, gaming is a topic I think pays less, with RPMs usually around, I'll think $2 based on my research. But because gaming videos often get a ton of views, the ad money can still be pretty high. It's all about finding that right balance. Even on this channel, the RPM changes, with some videos hitting as high as $7. But as I said, the average is $2.95. So let's look at the numbers and see exactly how much YouTube paid me for those 1.4 million views. Okay, here it is. My estimated ad money is $3,000. Now some might say $3,000 in 2025 isn't a lot, and others might disagree. It really just depends on your point of view. For me, since I only spend a few hours a day running multiple YouTube channels, and this is just one of them adding to my income, I think it's pretty good. Alright, let's talk about my biggest channel. It's racked up an incredible 17 million views in just the last 15 months. The average CPM is about $16, around £12 here in the UK. The average RPM from that is £5. But here's the crazy part. On the same channel in the same topic area, the CPM can jump from as low as $8 all the way up to $30. That's a huge difference. I pulled up some screenshots from 2023 and 2024 to show you how much it can change. You can see that 1.2 million views could earn me up to $10,000, and sometimes even almost $11,000. It truly depends on the topic of your channel. If you want more detailed lessons on how I use these tools, how I set up my YouTube channels correctly, or how to possibly double your ad earnings by using other money-making methods, you should definitely join my free community on School. All that info is there. What do you think about trying to get lots of views versus choosing a topic that pays more on YouTube? If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe.